Eli says, any thoughts on how much experience or time since qualifying should affect pricing?
Good question. I wouldn't put any kind of boundaries on that, because you still, you've had your thorough training for 4 years or 5, and you've had all that experience as well. It might mean potentially you take a bit longer to give a patient an outcome than perhaps somebody with 20 years experience who goes, oh, seen this before, do this, this and this, and it usually sorts it. Possibly, but I wouldn't say, you shouldn't be charging very much because you're newly qualified. I think you are competent, you've still got excellent skills and diagnostic ability, etc.
Yeah.